Again guys, good afternoon. It's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon here in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So we have a RX 350 here, and I show you to how to reset this one. This injector maintenance required. So injector maintenance required, visit your dealer. That's the message of this combination meter. What we are going to do is turn off the light, and all the accessories here inside, and also fasten our seat belt here, the two seat belt in the front, only in the front, never mind the back. So this one, the seat belt. Okay, and next thing to do is just release our brake, the hand brake, this electric parking brake. So release this one. So just push this, and the lights came out. The lights disappear. So meaning if you pull this one, so the lights came out. If you push, the light disappear, and that's what we are going to do. So close this one, and all accessories here, make sure that the EC is off also, and also the fan, the blower of the set at the front and in the back. You make sure that all the accessories, and if you have a charger here inside. Oh, we have no charger here. So that's all. Let's begin. Let's start, guys. And by the way, this is not a turbo. This is not the turbo, guys. This is not also hybrid. This is the RX 350. This is made in Japan, not made in Canada. So that's it. Let's start. So hold the brake 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and can switch the light, pull, and repeat 4 times, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then off the light. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn off the light. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all, guys. The message in the injector maintenance is already reset. So that's all, guys.